guys, I'm making lasagna. I've done one earlier, hold on a wee second, I will get that one out. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm not just going to be cooking, I'm going to be chatting about New Year. I want to chat about New Year's resolutions. If you've made any, have you already gave up? Does anybody take advantage of the January sales and any money that they get at Christmas time, then just hold on to it till the sales come down and down and down? So I've got some things I want to show you in the bag. This one is really good with the dish that I've prepared for tonight. So this is cheating quick dish. I'm making lasagna. Make sure the sauce is hot. Don't put the pasta on first, because if you put the pasta on first it just gets a bit dry. You'll want to try and avoid that. A bit thick as well, make sure you put lots on it. Spinach, using salmon tonight. You just need two and you just need to spread it out a bit. Fresh lasagna. So you just pop it straight over. Covers the whole dish. Nice. That with the salmon. So that's what you want it to look like on the top. So another 3 of these sheets of pasta. So that is kind of, how long did that take? 5 minutes? Looks delicious already. Ooh. Julie's got 5 minutes. Brilliant. See? It didn't take long at all, did it? So you see that? Ooh. What are we thinking? I've done one earlier. Hold on a wee second. I will get that one out. It's not burnt. Oh my goodness. Look at the smoke. There you go. Look at that. Beautiful. Tonight's all about just cooking a quick dish. Literally took me 5 minutes. Make that early in the morning. If you're feeling a bit down at New Year and you've got some money to spend from Christmas, I don't think that would break the bank to buy a nice pair of earrings. Like, aren't they nice? They're cute. That looks expensive, don't you think? Could you imagine just wearing a really plain dress and that, or even a white t-shirt, pair of jeans and that, and these earrings? Very simple and looks very, very expensive, I think. This is an absolute bargain, guys. $69.99. Love the jacket, me too, isn't it beautiful? If you were in Michael Kors shop, which I go quite frequently because I like Michael Kors clothes, and I like them, you know, I like them better when they're in the sale. It was great at Christmas time there was a lot of things in the sale. But even in the sale, this would probably be down to about 200, I think. So really have a good shop about in TK Maxx. Wait till you see what else I've bought. Now this is not to go with the jacket at all, don't laugh. Not doing the January thing and feeling a bit flat and down. I'm going up the hills with these on. We've got a nice stripe down there so I will not be missed. Look. When I go into my gym wearing these, they're going to go, oh my goodness me, what the heck is she wearing? What the heck is that? You know, they're all quite reasonably priced, $14.99 DKNY. Yeah, a little hoodie. Then I feel I want to have a day in bed. Isn't that nice? Beautiful, it's so fluffy. And that was reduced to £11, guys. I can't wait to get my house coat on actually after having my lasagna. People put quotes up on Facebook and they put them up on Instagram to try and understand the quotes and talk about the quotes. It has to be quite meaningful and then think about it. You can relate that quote to yourself, take something from that quote and then write down why you think that quote would be relative to you. Really positive messages, and there's no point just swiping and going, oh that's really nice. Think about it deeply, and then if you want to, then you can make a little plan out of it. Are you ready for the first one? Last year's words belong to last year's language, and next year's words await another voice. and to make an end is to make a beginning. If you're thinking about things that you've maybe failed on last year, then that was last year and this year is your new voice. That's what I get from it. You might get something different from it. Hi Karen, how are you doing? Happy New Year to you. This one is a toast to the old you. If you feel inspired to use the new year to help you reset or change habits, then that's great. And yet, here's the bit that I like. The old you has survived every terrible day, every hard thing, every awful circumstance, and every heartbreak you've ever felt. The old you is a fighter, and that's worth celebrating. Isn't that nice? I love that. So that's a toast to you. So don't beat yourself up for anything that you think you made a mistake on, because you've come through at the end, and so the new year is a celebration of what you've actually achieved, regardless if you think it was bad or not, but you managed to do that. So I think that's brilliant. What a wonderful thought it is that some of the best days of our lives haven't happened yet. Lovely thought. Say to yourself, actually, I'm excited for New Year. If you want to be your year, don't sit on the couch and wait for it. Go out. Make a change. Smile more. Be excited. Do new things. Yeah. Don't be a creature of habit, and change is good. I always say change is good. It is hard, but change is good. Throw away what you have been cluttering. And here's the great part. Unfollow negative people on social media. Unfollow them. Go to bed early. Wake up early. That's one I should take heed to, because I'm really bad for that. Be fierce. Don't gossip. That's one that could pull you right down. Don't gossip. Show more gratitude and do things that challenge you. And be brave. Isn't that nice? I would love some lasagna. Oh, you can have some lasagna. You're very welcome. So if you're bored or uninspired in your business right now, it means you're not taking enough chances. And yet, that's right. You're awesome. Thank you, Rajiv. Thanks so much. You are too. This is the 7 rules. 1. See failure as a beginning, not an end. I agree with that. Make peace, and I love this one. Make peace with your past. Let it go. And I think that's very important. Make peace with your past, let it go. Habits decide your future, so act accordingly. If you don't go after it, you won't have it. It's true, and it's simple, and it's there in black and white, and it's not difficult, it's simple, it's the simple steps. We've all got the same tools. If you don't go after it, you won't get it, and that's true. Save and invest before you spend it. Another one keeps popping up all the time, which is difficult to actually avoid sometimes, but avoid negative people in life, because life is too short. And again, that's a very true statement, but who actually does it? How many people have said, you know, I want to try and get rid of all these negative people in my life, all the haters. There's a lot of haters out there. You don't want to be around the haters. You want to be around the people that actually love other people and that will give you 100% up and help you. And, you know, not just to say that you're doing well, but to actually tell you when you're not doing well in a positive way. And never compare yourself to others, because you're not. You're completely unique. So never compare or feel threatened when somebody's more competitive than you, because that's what I take from that anyway. And that's why I'm saying, when you look at these quotes, then actually read what they say and think and relate it to yourself. But never compare yourself with others, because you're not the same. You're a unique person. Some people think that holding on makes them stronger, but more often than not, letting go and moving on is what makes you a winner in life. Now that is definitely true. Try and accept the things that have happened without making excuses for the things that's happened and blaming other people. You have to say to yourself, no, I accept that happened and I did everything that I can to deal with that at that particular time, and now it's a new year, and that is in the past. And here's what I'm going to do that's going to be different to what I did before. Or, you know, I took the knocks, I felt I failed, or I felt I was failed by, then you can then learn from that. Do we agree with that, guys? Do we agree? You know, you've got to be proactive and not reactive. You're not to sit there and just accept the fact that it happened to you and got on with your life. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 quotes. I've got 2 minutes to go just to sum everything up. How many people actually look on Facebook and they look at these quotes, learn from it, and you think about it and you think, well, actually now, instead of just saying I'm going to make a New Year's resolution, I'm going to stop smoking, I'm going to lose weight, think about why you're smoking, why you're drinking too much, or why you're overweight. It's probably because there's an underlying happiness that's went way back that you're not dealing with. So think about these quotes in a completely different way and say to yourself, well, actually, let all that stuff go by. That was all negative stuff that happened. And on a positive note, then your new year should be an absolutely awesome new year for 2019. So now I wish you all the very best. Much for joining me and all your comments. Bye for now. See you next week at 8 o'clock. Bye. Take care.